sa araw na ito, tatanggapin niyo yung espesyal na regalo ng sakramento. Di ba, like ko pinapaalala, lagi ang Panginoon ang gawing sentro ng iyong buhay bilang mag-asawa at bilang pamilya. At ito, mga kapatid, ang ipinagdiriwang natin ngayong hapon na ito. Tanto, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do. Yes, Father.
Just to see what's beyond it. This time is ours.
Melanie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
It's right where we belong. This feeling that we found. It's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything now.
Sana laging bukas kayo. Bukas ang inyong damdamin, bukas ang inyong kalooban, bukas ang inyong sarili sa bawat isa. Openness. Love. Listen, openness, value, express. Lagi kayong patnubayan, gabayan, samahan ng ating Panginoon. At laging pagpalain sa inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa, sa inyong pagmamahalan at pag-ibig, sa inyong pangako na panghabang buhay para sa bawat isa.